Hi everybody, it's been a while and today I'm bringing you guys a fun DIY for spring and summer. I particularly like this for summer, but I'm already getting the itch, so we're doing this now. I went to Michael's like a week ago and I picked up a lemon tree that was about this tall in a terracotta pot. I flipped it around and it was $20. No. I get my terracotta pots at the thrift store for change. I also picked up this bag for $2 filled with lemons and limes. I got this actually at around fall, I think when people were cleaning out all the summer stuff or whatever, because I got it around the fall time. If I waited till summer, it probably would have been gone. So I've been excited to use that. I've been wanting to, I got it because I thought I'd make a lemon and a lime wreath. I still might. But when I saw these really cute topiaries, I'm like, I could do that for way cheaper. So you're gonna need your terracotta pots, and if you don't like the terracotta color, you can just you can chalk paint them white or paint them whatever color you want. Then I picked up two of these. Excuse me. I picked up two of these. They were $6, but you can use a coupon to get a discount on one of them at Michael's. They're called Stem Tige Fleuret. I don't know. I'm saying that all wrong, but this is what they look like. Just kind of standard leaves. So I picked up two of these. I'm going to trim them down. So you're going to need wire cutters, some styrofoam, your glue gun, a cutting board, and a knife to trim down your styrofoam, and lemons or limes. And we're gonna get started. Let's do this. You can get some Spanish moss, some green Spanish moss, or whatever to put down in here. But because I'm having it up, because it's going up high, you won't even see down in here, so I'm not going to worry about it. Just a little FYI. beautiful piece is from Kirkland's. This is not sponsored by them, but they sent this to me and I wanted to put it in the video because I wanted to put it on my table and, like you saw, fill the jars that could be obviously used for candles with some lemons and limes. So that's what I did. And again, the yellow and white gingham pillows are from Home Goods. So here is the full after. I just love the simplicity of those lemon trees, and they cost me like maybe $5 to make each. I don't know, less than 20, definitely 2 for 20, but 2 for like under 20. So love them. I like the terracotta pots with the color of my table and church pew, so I'm not going to paint them. And they also match the wood trim around the grocery sign, so I love it. And that is it for today's simple DIY and little kitchen area refresh. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys make your own little lemon topiaries. Save yourself some money, because 20 bucks for a topiary that's literally, now that I've made mine a little bit smaller than mine, not gonna happen. Here's the $6 tag on the leaf stems that I got, and there's a little number for you if you guys want to go pick up the exact same leaves and make them yourself. Now you'll have it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video today, and I will see you guys again in a decorate with me. I'm going to be decorating for Valentine's and taking you guys along with me. That will be probably in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. Again, thanks for tuning in. Love you guys. Bye!